I wanted you to give us an idea of what the mega trends are in mobility, because a lot has changed since we called it maybe field service, right? We've given it a bit of a new name. A lot of things have happened, but so in your words, can you tell us what you guys are seeing at Panasonic?
Sure, absolutely. And there has been a lot of change in the industry. And really, if you look at this industry, I also cover many other industries. So, the trends seem to be in twofold. One is the demographic of the user base. So, regardless of industry, what we're finding is the Gen X and the millennials are starting to become more and more a part of the current workforce, while the baby boomers are starting to move out. So certainly with that, we're seeing a dynamic with the technology into things. So the newer millennials, as opposed to the baby boomers, are much more comfortable with technology, much more versed in touchscreen type applications. So what we're seeing now is a shift, right, to the users having higher expectations of the IT department.
So what that, to paraphrase, what that is doing is it's challenging the usability, because those workers are looking for something that's as easy to use as their iPhone or whatever it is. So there's a lot more challenge. We're going away from those green screens where you have to type in a bit of code to run things. And how big is that challenge, or is it just one of those things that we can do that now and it's expected?
That's when we talk to a lot of our customers, particularly in this industry, it's seemingly an easy thing. We'll just give you iPhones or consumer grade devices and we'll just upgrade our application. But there's a lot more to that when you talk about an enterprise environment versus a consumer environment. So certainly for companies like Itron, they are updating their applications right now to be able to support these newer technologies. But on the customer side, there's a lot of user training, there's security implications, there's a lot more that goes into implementing that kind of technology. So both on the user side, the IT department, as I mentioned, used to bring the technology to the employees. Now the employees are pushing the IT department to deploy touchscreen devices, tablets, handhelds, non-keyboard based devices. So it's really twofold.